Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations and welcome and hope you are all doing well. Today it is video number 100. So I have been doing this for almost a year now and yeah, I'm very happy. And today's video is going to be a bit special, bit different, as I have a stall in this weekend on Saturday. It is my first time selling my makes live. So basically, because I'm broke, I had to buy a lot of things for this stall and yes, no more money left for my logo bunter. So I thought, why not try to make one myself? So here I will achieve just that. So I have this large tray mold that is about 25 centimeters in diameter. I premixed my resin and I'm pouring my first layer. And after that, I will let it sit and cure. And meanwhile, I'm waiting. I did have my logo in JPeg. Then I converted it to SVG file for Cricut Maker, and now I'm cutting it out on my Maker so I can stick my logo inside this big tray. Very, very exciting. And here it is. So this is the next day and the resin is cured, and now I will apply my vinyl sticker. So first thing, I wanted to show you how I do that. I do a bit of weaving and get off the all excess that we don't need. And after that, I put transfer tape and transfer this sticker to the tray. I'm gonna take this moment and ask you kindly, please like this video. And if you like videos about resin, then consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new to see. Thank you. So I will just check, and as I'm checking, I'm very happy what I'm doing. And yeah. So after a little fight and little struggle, I managed to safely stick it on my resin piece. And I thought that it looks a bit dull, so I gather my last flowers what I have left, and I thought why not to zhuzh it up a bit. So now I'm just gonna play a bit with my leaves and with the flowers and try to place them, and yeah, to make it look a bit more sophisticated and arty. So yeah, once again I will put some music in the background and let you enjoy watching this process, and I'll come back to you in a bit. Well, yeah, that's about it. So I let it cure this resin, so it's quite on the hard side now. And now I prepared my last resin and it's clear, and I pouring it over to cover and seal everything in. And after that I just spread it out, pop the bubbles and let it to cure. And this is the next day. It's cured. It's still a bit on a soft side, but I have to unmold it, so I'm doing gently, and as you can see it's basically the same, just out of the mold. And this is my logo that I will be using as a banner for now for my weekend stall, so people can see my business name, and yeah, I think it came out quite cute. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But now I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!